Hi folks, I'm Lindsay and I'm the Quality Control Engineer here at Spark. Today I'm in our testing area to show you exactly how the Briq works. There are three primary Briq components: the ignition patch, the alcohol, and the charcoal. Each of these plays an important role in giving you the quick and seamless experience of cooking on a Spark. Let's start with the ignition patch. Think of this like a fuse. When you turn the ignition ring on your grill, the ceramic igniter gets hot, touches the ignition patch, and creates a flame. That's why it's important to close the drawer firmly so that you have full contact between these two features. Once the ignition patch has successfully lit, the fuse will spread across the top of the Briq, lighting the second component, a clean-burning plant-based alcohol. The flame from the alcohol will spread across the full surface of the Briq quickly and evenly. The alcohol acts as an accelerant, which allows the Briq to heat up much faster than standard charcoal without using any lighter fluid or petrochemicals. It's normal to see some flames while the Briq's igniting. This just means the alcohol is working. The flame should chill out as the alcohol burns off. Generally, we recommend keeping the lid open for a few minutes during ignition as the alcohol burns very hot. The lower the temperature you're shooting for, the longer you should keep the lid open. For example, if you're cooking at 500 degrees with an everyday Briq, you'll want to keep the lid open for about 5 or 10 minutes, but if you're cooking at 900 degrees with a high heat Briq, you'll want to close the lid as soon as you see flames. Once the flame has spread across the Briq's surface, the charcoal in the Briq will heat up. Each Briq is specially formulated using American hardwood charcoal. We use several different recipes to tune the Briq for specific uses, temperatures, and flavors. That's why a high heat Briq is perfect for cooking a classic Neapolitan-style pizza, and a quick Briq is ideal for your Tuesday night chicken breast. Here are some quick tips to get the best performance out of your Briq. Make sure your Briqs have had time to warm up to room temperature before you light them. If they're stored somewhere really cold, like your garage in the winter, just bring them inside for about 30 minutes before lighting. Remember to light your Briq a few seconds after opening it. We use alcohol because it helps the Briq get hot fast, but it can evaporate quickly. Close the drawer firmly to make sure the igniter makes solid contact with the ignition patch. If the patch is not making contact, it can help to push the Briq and the fuel pan towards the back of the drawer. Be quick with your transitions while cooking if you want to preserve heat in the kettle. The longer and more frequently the lid is open, the longer it will take to cook your food. I hope this has helped you understand the function of the Spark Briq a little better. Happy grilling!